Did you know you could eat palm trees? Yes, indeed you can, when it comes in the form of a heart of palm. It is a vegetable that actually comes from the center, AKA the heart of a palm tree. Hearts of palm can come from any palm tree, whether it be a coconut palm or just a regular beach palm. Most often you'll find them canned. They come packed in just a briny kind of water. Right here, these are called whole hearts of palm, so this is a whole cut. And sometimes you can also find them as salad cut pieces. The whole sticks are great if you want to kind of pull them apart and shred them. They make great meat substitutes. You can shred them and use them in place of crab meat or just like pulled pork or pulled chicken. The outer edges are going to be a little firmer to the bite, reminiscent of like an artichoke heart. The inside is really soft and earthy, and that reminds me of cooked asparagus. They're pretty neutral in flavor, so if you are substituting it for meat or pasta, they can take on any flavors you add to it. And the fact that they're high in protein and low in carbs makes them just perfect. I'm gonna use these to make a delicious salad. This is gonna be reminiscent of a crab salad minus the crab. I'll start by making just a little vinaigrette with a dash of red wine vinegar, the juice of a whole lime, and some olive oil. Whisk in the olive oil and then season it up with some chili powder and salt. Easy as that. Because the hearts of palm is so delicate, I'm just gonna fold them in at the end. A little sweet onion, some red bell pepper, lots of crunch with some radish and carrot, a little bit of juicy tomato, and a good kick with a finely chopped serrano pepper. A little cilantro, and then pour over our vinaigrette. Give that a toss. For the finishing touch, I'm gonna fold in some avocado and our star of the show, the hearts of palm. And then gently fold everything together. The hearts of palm are so tender and delicate that I love pairing it with so many crunchy vegetables. As a salad, you can just serve this over lettuce. I love serving it over butter lettuce. You can even chop up that hearts of palm a little more and serve it with tortilla chips. How good does that look? Let's go in for all the bites. The hearts of palm just take on the flavor of that vinaigrette so well, and then paired with all those crunchy vegetables, it's the perfect bite. I've got to show you another great way to use hearts of palm. I give to you hearts of palm dip. This is one of the greatest things ever. Whether you enjoy them hot or cold, hearts of palm are great, and you need to add them to your next grocery list. It can be any variety of palm tree, whether it be a coconut palm or whatever other kind of palms there are.